As a t-shirt seller, you know how much competition there is to find the next trend or niche, and that it's a never-ending quest to become successful in the t-shirt selling game. You do your research, A/B test your designs, and optimize everything to try and stay one step ahead of the pack. However, it's easy to get stuck in this t-shirt seller mindset and never take the next step towards becoming a t-shirt brand. A strong brand lets you build trust with your customers, lets them know what type of styles and designs they can expect from you, and is essential if you want to build any kind of a relationship that's going to lead to repeat sales. Let me show you how easy it is to create a professional logo for your t-shirt brand with Placeit. To make a logo for our t-shirt brand, we simply go to the top left-hand side under Logos, and then we slide over to where it says Clothing Brands, and we click on that. Here we're going to see all the clothing brand logo templates that we can choose from. We could also even type in our brand's name here, and Placeit's going to fill that in for all these different templates, so we can quickly preview a bunch of different designs and then pick the one that we like best. Since I already know which one I'd like to use, I'm just going to go ahead and skip that and go straight to it. To edit the template, I'm going to start with the left-hand side where we have all our different text options. Now we have a bunch of different text boxes, and we edit these the same way we would in any text editor. We simply click on the box and we start to type, and then we're going to see that reflected on the preview. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. I'm going to actually type in the name of the t-shirt brand, so it's going to be Bastion Shirts. And notice how it changes here. To the left of each text box, we have a little check mark. If we click on it, we can remove that line of text. And if we click on it again, we add it back to the design. Below, we have a font picker button. If I click on it, we get a drop down with all the different fonts that we can choose from. I'm going to go ahead and change this piece of text here to Avenir Next. There we go. To the right of that, we have the color picker button. If I click on it, we get a bunch of preset colors that we can choose from, or we can click on More, and then we can click and drag and pick any color that we like. We could also even input the hex code for a color if we happen to have that right here. And then we would just click on Choose. I'm going to go ahead and change this line to be this nice blue color here. I'm going to go ahead and change Republic as well to say Shirts. And I'll change this line of text, the font, to be Avenir Next, but just a little thicker version of it. And I think I'll change this color to be black. Next, I'm going to change the third line of text here to say Trending Since 2015. And notice that as I clicked on this text box here, we get these little buttons that say SML, that's small, medium, and large. So we can just change the size of that piece of text. Notice how that changes here. And finally, we can change the layout. So right now, everything is centered. We can also align it to the left, so the logo is on the left and the text is on the right. So as you can see, it's super easy to edit. No need to click and drag anything around. Placeit does everything for you. Next, we can move on to the right-hand side where we can change our colors and our graphics. So the accent color is green. I think I'm going to change that to be a nice blue. So you change this the same way you would for the text. Next, we have our main color, which is black. I'll leave it as it is. And here we have a bunch of different graphics that we can choose from. And let's see, I'm just going to click on a couple of them so you can see. Super easy to edit. You just click on any one you'd like, Placeit quickly changes it, and you get to see the results in real time. So I think I'm going to go ahead and change it back to this t-shirt as a flag. That looks pretty cool. And once you're satisfied with your design, you simply go to the top section where we have the big blue download button, and you click on that, and you get this little window that gives you the format of the image, so it's going to be a PNG, and the resolution. And then you would simply click on Purchase, and you would follow those steps. Now we have a fantastic logo for our t-shirt brand that we can use on our social media accounts, on ads to promote our latest designs, and of course, we can now tag our t-shirts with our custom logo. Placeit also has a ton of other useful assets for t-shirt sellers. You can create t-shirt designs, social media images, and even mock-ups to promote your designs in a professional and visually appealing way. All these tools and so much more are available as part of Placeit's unlimited subscription. For only $29 a month, you get unlimited access to all these design templates and mock-ups that will help you step up your t-shirt selling game and outclass the competition.